Done for You Services System Review. Ariella Lorio's course highlighted. Premium Affiliate Marketing Training and Done for You System by WESLEY Virgin and Ariella Lorio. How to make $500 plus per day online with this simple 2-step system. Even if you have zero experience. In the training I will do it all for you. I will create your website so you can see sales as soon as today. I will choose a high-converting domain to boost your sales instantly. I will create your first Facebook ad to see your first commission check. I will do all the techie stuff for you so you can earn up to $10,000 per month. In today's free training I'm going to show you what is by far the best and easiest way to make money online in the comfort of your own home, even if you are a slow learner like I was. And how you can tap into this proven system right now and start generating $500 per day or more and be on track for 6 figures. And how it can change your life forever. In fact, this training has helped over 4,000 plus people from around the world in the last year make $1,000, and guess what, we did everything for them. The best part is you don't need to have any prior online experience to do this. Plus you don't need a lot of time as this only requires a few hours a day to generate up to thousands. I'm going to show you live exactly how to easily use Facebook and Instagram to generate thousands of dollars per day without a product, email list or even a website. Don't worry about results. I'll show you how you can virtually guarantee results in the first week for yourself in today's training, after you reserve your seat right now. Pros and cons of Done for You Services System Training. Pros: it's about Facebook ad campaigns, one of the most effective affiliate marketing methods. Tools and lists of potential buyers are provided. No technical skills required. Closed Facebook group for full support. 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons: you need to invest money in ad campaigns, initially a few $100s at least. You must be willing to learn, it's not all done for you. It's about Facebook ad campaigns, one of the most effective affiliate marketing methods.